Hello student, in our previous two tutorials we have discussed the single elimination tournament. On the basis of questions we have divided the single elimination tournament into three different cases. So in first case we have discussed the single elimination tournament without seeding. In second case we have discussed the single elimination tournament with seeding. And in third case we have discussed the single elimination tournament with special seeding. So in this tutorial we'll cover double elimination tournament and consolation prize winners. So let's start with double elimination tournament, how to prepare a draw on the basis of double elimination tournaments. Yes, double elimination tournament, as its name suggests, double. So the team must be defeated twice to get eliminated from the tournament. So we can say that every team gets two chances in this tournament. So I hope the meaning of the tournament is clear to you. So let's take an example of number of teams are 13. So according to the example we try to understand how the fixture is to be maintained in this tournament. So start with the working note number 1. So number of matches, 13 teams are there, so number of matches are 12. Number of rounds, the next highest power of 2, so next highest power of 2 is 16. 16 means we have converted into 2 ki power, to 2 ki power 4, so 4 round is to be there. And number of teams in lower half, because it's an odd number, so we have to calculate the number of teams in upper and lower half. So upper half formula is number of teams plus 1 divided by 2, 7 teams. Number of teams in lower half, number of teams minus 1 divided by 2, 6 teams. So number of buys formula is the next highest power of 2 minus number of teams. So 16 is the next highest power, 13 is the number of teams, 3 by is to be there, again odd number. So you have to give the working of number of buys in upper half, 3 minus 1 divided by 2, 1 by, and buy in lower half, 2 by is to be there. So now working note is over. So let's start with the fixture. So while preparing a fixture you have to keep in mind some rules. So first rule says you have to, in double knockout you have to prepare 2 fixtures. One fixtures will name it main draw, and in main draw you have to follow the same system you follow in the single elimination tournament. So up to final rounds you have to follow the same system in the main draw. तो फाइनल राउंड तक हमारा जो सिस्टम रहेगा मेन ड्रॉ का वो सेम रहेगा जो हम लोग सिंगल एलिमिनेशन टूर्नामेंट में फॉलो कर रहे थे. एंड पैरेलल वी हैव टू फॉर्म अनदर ड्रॉ, we'll name it secondary draw, or we can also call it once defeated team draw. तो जो भी टीम एक मैच हारी वो टीम हमारे पैरेलल दूसरे ड्रॉ में एंटर कर जाएगी. So we'll give them a name defeated teams draw. So in defeated team draw you have to make sure one thing, you have to make sure, because each and every round some teams will be defeated and to be entered in this draw. So make sure that the team when entered in this draw in different rounds, different teams will be entered, losing team will be entered, so that teams it's to be in the multiple of 2. In the first round in that defeated team you have to adjust the teams according to the power of 2, but after that in second round, third round, when the losing teams entered in the draw, then you have to be make sure that equal number of teams is to be there in the secondary draw, so that the losing team when entered, the equal number of teams in the power of 2 is to be there. You don't have to give buy at that time to the teams to be adjusted in this way. So I hope I am clear here. So let's start. So in as we have already discussed, we have to prepare 2 fixtures here. So we'll give them a name main draw. So the name of the tournament is double knockout tournament. So according to the working note, we know 4 rounds is to be there, so we have written here teams are here, 13 teams are here. So just write down the 1 to 13 serial number. 3 by is to be adjusted by 1, by 2 and by 3. So after adjusting the by in this main draw, you have to assume 2 and 3 who will be the winner, and I'll just अंडरलाइन दैट 3 विल बी द लूज़र. 2 नेक्स्ट राउंड में प्रोसीड कर गया. देन 4 and 5 के मैच में 5 जो है लूज़र है. 4 मैंने आगे एक नंबर लिख दिया 4 प्रोसीडेड टू द सेकेंड राउंड. इन 6 and 7 अगेन आई विल पुट एन लाइन अंडर 7, and in 9 and 10 again I'll put a line underline. 9 will be the loser, and 11 and 12, so 11 will be the loser here. So write down the first round losers. So just prepared a draw fixture again, secondary fixture you have to draw. I'll just, for your information, I have right here once defeated team. So there are 5 teams who are defeated in the first round. So 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. I write all the 5 teams here in the secondary fixtures. So again 5 teams are there. So 5 teams means you have to, next highest power of 2 will be 8. So 8 minus 5, 3 byes is to be adjusted. So order of bye will be, first bye is to be given to the 11 number team, then second bye to be given to the 3rd number team here, and then 3rd bye is to be here. So in first round there is a match between 5 and 7. So now you have to assume who will be the winner. So here 7, I'll put a cross here. 7 will be defeated here. So 2 times 7 will be out from the tournament. So 5 will be proceeded to the second round here. So now in second round there is a match between 1 and 2. So again we have to assume 2. I'll just put a line here. 2 will be the loser here. 4 and 5, 4 and 6, 4 will be the loser here, because 6 proceeded to the third round. 8 and 10, 8 loser है. Then 12 and 13, यहाँ पर 12 loser है. तो 4 losing teams, and 4 teams are already there in the second round. According to this draw, I just write down the teams. 3, 5, 9 and 11 teams are already there. And as I have suggested, the rule of just making the secondary fixture is that the number of teams should be in the power of 2. So 4 teams are already there in the second round, and second round loser, we have the teams, those who are enter here. I just simply write down those teams: 2, 4, 10 and 12. So all the 4 teams will be enter here, and second round you can see exactly in the power of 2. 8 teams are here, so there is no adjustment required here. Why we have to give the bye? When the number of teams are not in the multiple or product of 2, then we have to give the byes to the team. So here number of teams are exactly 8. So make sure you have to prepare this draw in such a way that in second, third, fourth round, if there you have to adjusting, there will be no, you don't have to give the bye to the teams here. So now prepare a draw here. Again you have to assume, so 5 will be the out loser here, so will be out 2 times defeated. So 11 will be out from this tournament. 4 यहाँ से क्रॉस कर देते हैं, एंड यहाँ पर 12 को क्रॉस कर देते हैं. तो now 4 टीम्स जो प्रोसीड कर रही हैं नेक्स्ट राउंड में वो है 3, 9, 2 and 10. So now they have to play one more round. There is a match between 3 and 9. So 3 को विनर कर रहे हैं, तो 9 आउट हो गया टूर्नामेंट से. 2 and 10 के अगर हम मैच को कंडक्ट करें तो यहाँ पर हमने 2 को फॉरवर्ड किया, सो 10 विल बी आउट फ्रॉम द टूर्नामेंट. सो 2 टीम्स विल बी प्रोसीडेड टू द नेक्स्ट राउंड. नाउ थर्ड राउंड 1 and 6 देयर इज अ मैच, और 8 और 13 का मैच है. तो अगेन यू हैव टू अज्यूम, यहाँ पर हमने अंडरलाइन कर देते हैं 6 और 8 के अंडर. So 2 teams entered in the next round. So 2 teams are already there in the lower in the secondary fixture. So 3 is already there. So 1 teams enter here 6 loser था उसको हमने नीचे एंटर कर दिया. 2 ऑलरेडी देयर था इन द सेकेंडरी ड्रॉ. तो 8 लूजर था, उन दोनों का मैच कंडक्ट किया. सो फ्रॉम दिस मैच 3 विल बी द विनर, और ये टीम आउट हो गई एंड ये टीम आउट हो गई. सो देयर विल बी अ मैच बिटवीन 3 and 2. So 3 will be the winner here. So in the double elimination main draw, so there will be a final between 1 and 13. 1 and 13 के फाइनल में 1 यहाँ पर विनर हुआ है, तो 13 यहाँ पर लूजर हुआ है. तो 13 जो है वो फिर अगेन इस ड्रॉ में एंटर हुआ है. तो देर इज a match between 3 and 13. Now you can see there is a match between 3 and 13. In this case 13 will be the winner. In case 13 will be the winner, तो 3 out हो गया टूर्नामेंट से, and 13 will again entered here in the main draw. So again there is a match between 1 and 13. 1 and 13 का फिर से एक मैच होगा. In case इस मैच को अगर 13 जीत लेता है तो 13 and 1 दोनों एक बार लूजर हुए हैं, तो then there is a match between 1 and 13. बट इन केस यहाँ पर 1 and 13 के इस मैच में 1 विनर हुए एंड अगेन दे आर प्लेइंग एंड अगेन 1 विनर हो जाता है, तो 13 2 बार इस टूर्नामेंट में हार गया, तो 13 विल बी द रनर्स अप विल बी द टूर्नामेंट. बट इन केस अगर 13 जीत जाता है देन देर इज अ मैच अगेन, बिकॉज रूल सेज जब तक की टीम 2 बार डिफीट नहीं होती out from the tournament. So again there is a final between 1 and 13. So whosoever be the winner here will be the final winner of the tournament in case 1 loses the match here. I hope it is clear to you. So in my next tutorial I'll cover the consolation tournament type 1 and type 2. So now I'll close this topic here.